Batohi uthi kwaba nemibuzo mayelana nokuthi kungani icala lika Johan Booysen owabe eyinhloko yamahawks kwaZulu-Natal laliphethwe Inhloko Ye-Npa eGauteng njengoba lenzeka kwaZulu-Natal.
At the meeting, Mr. Ngasana referred to an email he sent to Advocate Chauke requesting a written brief or explanation as to why the Booysen matter was being dealt with by the DPP South Gauteng, Advocate Chauke, whereas the matter arose in E-Kzn. This, with respect, is the first time we have it on evidence and information gathered that the top leadership of the NPA questioned how it was that the Booysen case was being handled by Advocate Chauke, whereas Advocate Nhloko was the DPP of E-Kzn.
Uthi U-Chauke akalikhulumanga iqiniso mayelana neqhaza lakhe ekushushisweni kukaBooysen.
Advocate Mosing states that Advocate Chauke explained that he attended a meeting in 2012 and the then acting NDPP Jiba and the former acting DPP of E-Kzn, Advocate Usolwa, and that he was requested to assist with a team to prosecute the matter. However, on evidence and information gathered as dealt with in the supplementary legal opinion, Advocate Chauke grossly misrepresented to Mr. Ngasana what his role was with the Booysen case.
Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.